actually. Pero alam nyo, when I stumbled upon this, kasi yung ginawa ko naman na AI nung umpisa, it's like all the other AIs that you can see in the market. Marami naman na sila. Pero this is different tulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo. This is different. This is agentic. This learns by itself. This learns from you. Patalino ng patalino ito habang ginagamit. Ganun yung nangyayari dito. Aside from the fact na matalino na siya. Tapos ako naman, syempre, ma-practicing lawyer, I can keep it for my firm lang or for my personal use. Pero isipin nyo, pati kalaban ko pwede nang gamitin laban sa akin yung ginawa ko. Pati kalaban sa korte makakagamit. Correct. Actually, yun yung una ko naisip eh. Alam nyo, pag ginagamit ko siya, even I'm surprised on how smart it's becoming. Sabi ni Jeshay, it just shows na walang base leksitary pag ginamit against sa'yo. Yeah. They can use it against me. If my arguments are wrong, of course.